In today's video, we will discover how to enjoy chickpeas. So let's start adding some oil on the pan. Chop an onion and fry it. Half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. $100 grams of crushed tomatoes, some green chilies to spice it up, half a teaspoon of coriander paste for a green touch, 400 grams of chickpeas, some salt to taste, lemon to flavor. Now cook and enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up and not down as usual, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.